Welcome folder! Today I'm super excited to share with you this little origami dragon designed by Sébastien Limay. He designed it to be easy to fold, but also to be able to evolve, and is already working on a second version of this model, and you will get a sneak peek at the end of this video. If you want to be one of the first to know when the model is released, you can join our newsletter and the link is in the description. And now I will hand it over to Sébastien and his little dragon.